Hi, today is December 14th, and I'm on my game series. That game series is here in 2024. December 14th is for the NFL. And in particular, it is for upcoming tomorrow, which is Game Sunday. And you can see when I click the button here in our picker in the Calendar Snack app, I'm coming up with the games, particularly for tomorrow. Now, over here is the NBA, and that data is not available until the 19th. But nevertheless, you can see our tech stack here that is running in AWS. This data or information from the NFL or professional sports games like NBA and MLB is sitting in a big data bucket here. And that data got in via our ability to ingest the calendar itself. So the calendar invite is sent and we process it and we store it in DynamoDB, and then we do various cool things with it. In this particular demo series, I'm showing how to send a bulk calendar run or bulk calendar invite to a preset demo list of just 11. Now, this API could run in the millions, and it does. And this is just a small, I would say, peek into our tech stack. So with that said, let's get into the live demo. And a live demo is always interesting. I will go to the 15th, game day tomorrow, NFL. You see the games there. I scrolled through there before. I'm going to go to something called the VIP list. That is our moniker for sending bulk calendar invites. I'm going to go to my document area. Excuse me as I fumble around. I'm going to go to my document area where I have my list, and my list is right here. I've uploaded it. Now, if you're sending millions to our API gateway, you'd be using something like DynamoDB. You could be using AWS Pinpoint, and obviously the simple email service in which our stack sits on top of. Now, I've already sent out a game, calendar invite for the Texans at the Dolphins. And you can see over here, I received a Texans at the Miami Dolphins for tomorrow. Now, I'm heading down here chronologically. Next one to the picker is Cowboys at the Panthers. I'm going to show you that list. It's right here. I uploaded it. That's the email list in which it's going to receive an automated calendar invite. I'm going to show you in the demo here that I'm given our command to say yes to send out the bulk calendar invitation. And it's going to run across the API gateway here. I'll buy a little demo time. So what's going on here in our demo is I sent a command. It's talking to the API gateway for calendar invite server, and then it's sending out the individual calendar invitations via this Lambda, which we've built. It's part of our technology stack and integration, whereby the UID for the calendar invites sitting in DynamoDB. These are individually summoned via the automation technology we've built. The calendar invitations are sent out individually to the emails, and then we collect the data off those calendar receipts. So when you look at data in particular, we do data collection and harvest data for millions of calendar invites using this tech stack. Now, as I get back to the demo, and we wrap this up here in hopefully a hot 4 minutes or so, you'll see that the calendar invite has been sent out. If I click yes to this or no, we're collecting that data on the back end. Now there's Mandy over here. That was Zach. You can see that this is live data. Now this data for this game is being collected here in this window engine over here, the data collection engine or get reports. And if I was to drill into buckets, the S3 buckets, that'll be for the 15th. And as I look for here, my picker, I can just type in Dallas. That'll be our little search head there. And you'll see that as I come up here, the live events right here, and you'll see that I collected 11 calendar invites that went out right there. I showed you live, and 2 RSVPs, and that data is here in our reporting engine. That's the end of the demo. Thanks for stopping by here on December